Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Harika. So today I am in front of you to talk about a series that I'm starting today, which is called Smart Hacks. So in this videos, in this particular series, I am going to target the videos which are very small but definitely very effective and useful while you're working on your processes. So as a part of this series, I'm going to tell about how you can remove the double quotations in the string. So let's say when we are getting the data from different sources, let's say database or from an Excel or from an email or whatever, from an attachment. So sometimes we may get to see that the data is having a quotation marks, right? So at that time, the string, whatever the string that we are using, so in we have to remove the double quotations to format the string, right? So during that time we face a lot of issues. We may go for regex to do multiple operations on that particular string to get the simplified version or the formatted version of the string. So today in this video I'm going to show you how simply we can just use a small piece of code to get our work done and to remove the double quotations from the string. So this series mainly target on these kind of videos. So these are some kind of things which can be done very simply, yet we sometimes have to put a lot of effort searching for it, or getting the information about it. So you can just keep these hacks handy. You can just bookmark these videos, or you can just keep the script in your sticky notes, and you can just use them whenever you want in your code. So then this hack will be helpful for you by reducing your research time to the minimal. Okay, so with that intention I have brought up this series. So it's completely not a like something like part 1 part 2 or continuation videos. It's just something that I thought it will be useful for all of you. You can just keep it handy with you at any time, and you can use it whenever you need it. Okay, so as a part of this series I'm going to start my first video, which is removing the double quotations from the string. So first let me explain you the requirement and run through the workflow, and after that I'll show you how we can recreate it. Okay, so let's say I have my data table, and in which I wanted to retrieve this particular value, but if you see the string is having the double quotations, I don't want this double quotation to go into my workflow, so I should delete them. Instead of going for regex or much complicated string manipulations, I'll just use a very small code that will replace my double quotes with something which is null. Okay, so I'll just show you in this video how we can do that. So for that I'll just debug the file. Let me put a breakpoint here. So you can just observe. Okay, so this is my column value. Okay, so if you see I have my double quotes, but I don't want it, so I just wrote a piece of code that will eliminate the double quotes, and this is my formatted string. So this is the requirement of today's video. So let me show you how we can do that. So for that, what I am doing, so you might be familiar with this part, right? So I have my data table, I just built it something. So let's consider you are getting the input from somewhere. Okay, so here I am reading the value of column 2, that is the string with double quotes. So how I have deleted that double quotes, that's the question. So let's write that in an assign. Okay, stick an assign, and here I'm just taking one string value, and here I'm taking this particular value because this is the part where I'm getting the double quotes, right? So what is the value? Row of column 2 dot to string, because I'm performing this operation on the string and I wanted to replace that value. Okay, so what exactly the value that I wanted to replace? Double quotes. So here in order to represent the double quotes, I'm gonna use char 34. So you just have to remember this is the char code. Okay, so this is the code I'm using, char 34, which will be used for the representation of the double quotes, and that I am replacing it with nothing. Okay, so there's no space and nothing, so just the double quotes. I'm not this is just a small piece of code. I'll just give that in the description as well. You can just copy and keep it in your sticky notes or wherever that you wanted to refer to when you need it. So just that's it, and just say okay, and let's now execute this and see how this works as a miracle. So I'm debugging. And that's it. If you see, those characters which are double quotes, those got eliminated, right? So this is a small video I wanted to show you, because sometimes when these small things, if we keep them as a hacks with us, we will reduce a lot of time that we invest in researching, right? So I thought it will be helpful for all of you, and if you like it, please do let me know in the comment section, and also do like the videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That gives me a lot of motivation to come up with great interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.